Okay, guys, this is a quick tip, and I just want to share something I just figured out, and I thought I should share. So, usually when you have a plane, we want to add thickness to a plane. I usually use dynamic subdiv because you can just take the thickness. Let's say we make it this thick. Okay. Now, you usually would want to, if let's say you want to have like a bevel to this, if I should just make add smooth to this, it doesn't really do anything. Even if I go to the crease level and I bring it down to one, nothing really happens. It's ZBrush can understand because it's still seeing this as a plane, not a thick object. But there's a tool in ZBrush. Let me go back to dynamic subdiv here. There's a tool in ZBrush, and let me take down the smoothness, called post subdiv. So after you add this thickness, if you should click on turn off post subdiv, and you increase the smooth subdiv, now you can see you start getting your bevel, which is really cool because at the end of the day it's still a plane, but this time it's seeing the thickness and it's making the thickness live, so that way you can actually bevel. And this was a really big mind-blowing event for me because usually I apply my thickness, then I make another dynamic subdiv, then I turn down the thickness, then I increase my smooth subdiv. But with this, I could even crease. You could literally really crease this edges, so you can actually go and like let's use something really fast. So let's go to polygroups and just go to group by normals. I need to group the normals, but because it's not still live, so it can't group like the sides, but it actually got this and this side. So if I should crease, go back to geometry and crease PG as crease polygroup. So now we have this crease. Now if I go back to dynamic subdiv and I play with or sorry, if I go back to my crease and I play with the crease level, I can sharpen this or I can make this soft. That way we have this cool bevel, and that's really cool. Or we can just like clear all crease, like you can clear everything. I think it's uncrease all, and we have this softer edge, and you can play with this, and which is really really cool. And by the way, guys, it's a plane, still a plane, and that's really amazing. And this is really non-destructive because if I was to apply this and later change my mind and I want to move these vertices up, now I'm just moving one plane, you get, and it does everything instead of moving to a double plane, which is like can be really hectic and really you don't have that much control. So I thought I should share this, and I hope it helps someone, and I'll see you guys in another one.